And welcome to AAPG's Energy Insights. I'm Vern Stefanik, Director of Administration and Programs for AAPG, and this is a new podcast from AAPG. Our guest today is Ashley Harris, the team leader for the Classic Stratigraphy team at Chevron Energy Technology Company in Houston. Ashley, welcome to Digging Deeper.
Thank you so much. Greatly appreciate being invited here. This is a wonderful opportunity and I'm pretty excited.
This is, in fact, the very first AAPG podcast, new series that we're starting, which will feature all of our distinguished lecturers.
Hello, my name is Ashley Harris, and I work at Chevron in the Energy Technology Company. Today, I will present some interesting results of a study we've been working on for a few years. The title of my presentation is Reevaluating the Relationship Between Relative Sea Level and Sediment Distribution Using Numerical Stratigraphic Forward Models. So let's start with the summary of the whole entire study.
Our guest today is Susan Cunningham. So Susan, welcome to Digging Deeper.
Thank you, Vern.
It is so good to have you here.
My name is Susan Cunningham. Some of you will know me, some of you don't. I'm going to talk about myself in a little bit, but I wanted to first of all start by thanking the AAPG for giving me this opportunity to share some of the knowledge, some of the things that I've been learning through my 35 years in the oil and gas industry. I'm at that stage where I've just learned so much, and I really want to help you and see if there aren't some nuggets that I can share that will be helpful for you as your career continues.
The Distinguished Lecture Program is a jointly operated program by AAPG and the AAPG Foundation. We hope you'll take a moment soon to check out the AAPG Foundation website to learn about how you can be part of ensuring the future of geosciences. And for now, thanks for listening.